Stop Strand Discrimination is a powerful statement advocating for equality and inclusivity in education. This movement emphasizes that all students, regardless of their chosen academic track or strand, deserve equal opportunities and recognition. It challenges the notion that certain strands are inherently superior or inferior, recognizing that each student's individual talents and passions should be celebrated. The issue of strand discrimination arises from a misconception that certain academic paths hold more value or lead to more successful futures than others. It's important to remember that all strands contribute to the diverse fields of knowledge necessary for societal growth. The call to stop strand discrimination is a call for a more equitable educational system. By working together, we can create a learning environment where all students feel valued, respected, and empowered to pursue their dreams.